I am sitting at my current MA job because of Advanced eClinical. They really helped me get this job. I always wanted to work at a healthcare option, and this really gave me the opportunity to get out there and look for a great job. My overall experience in completing the ACT program was amazing. It was really beneficial for me to take it. It helped me stay at home and not having to worry about going to classes while working at the same time. It really helped me also understand the quizzes and the homeworks, and all the practice exams were amazing by them. All the quizzes and clinical challenges that they put out there for you to work on are really helpful, because they really help you understand the material way much better than if you were to just read it out. You get to experience it in a clinical setting and think thoroughly about every step. IT made me felt supported because, first of all, it being online gave me the power of studying on my own time. At the same time, there were always resources available and very quick responses from anybody I need help with. Anything I need help with as well. I would definitely say enroll in ACT program. They prepare you amazingly. It's very cheap option compared to what's out there. I looked at my options outside, and this online program, it gave me very much opportunity to be able to work and go to school and study at the same time, and I thankfully landed the job because of this thing, and I'm very much grateful for choosing this.